Why do we live? It's a question that has captivated thinkers, scientists, and philosophers for centuries. While the meaning of life may be complex and deeply personal, the science behind how we stay alive is remarkably elegant. At the heart of this mystery lies a molecule so vital, so universal, that every living cell, from the tiniest bacteria to the largest whale, depends on it for survival. That molecule is ATP, or adenosine triphosphate. To understand why we live, we must first unravel the secrets of life's energy and the intricate dance that keeps our cells and ourselves alive. Every moment, trillions of cells in your body are at work, sending signals, building structures, repairing damage, and fighting off invaders. All of these processes require energy, and while we might think of food as our fuel, the story is far more fascinating and precise. Food provides the raw materials, but it is ATP that powers the machinery of life. ATP is often called the energy currency of the cell. Imagine ATP as a tiny, rechargeable battery that stores and delivers energy wherever it's needed. Each molecule of ATP is made up of 3 phosphate groups attached to a single adenosine molecule. It's in these phosphate bonds that the magic happens. When a cell needs energy, it breaks one of the bonds, releasing a burst of power and transforming ATP into ADP, adenosine diphosphate. Like coins spent to buy something essential, ATP is used up in countless cellular transactions, contracting muscles, transmitting nerve impulses, and even thinking. But where does ATP come from? The answer lies in the transformation of energy, a process that begins with the sun. Plants capture sunlight and convert it into chemical energy through photosynthesis, storing it in the bonds of glucose and other molecules. When we eat plants, or animals that have eaten plants, our bodies break down these molecules, harvesting the energy stored within. Inside our cells, tiny powerhouses called mitochondria take over. Through a series of complex reactions known as cellular respiration, mitochondria convert glucose and oxygen into ATP, carbon dioxide, and water. This process is staggeringly efficient. One molecule of glucose can produce up to 38 molecules of ATP. Without ATP, life would grind to a halt in seconds. The beating of your heart, the firing of your neurons, the repair of your DNA, all depend on a constant supply of this remarkable molecule. Even when you sleep, billions of ATP molecules are being spent and replenished every second, maintaining the delicate balance that keeps you alive. But ATP is more than just a fuel. It is a messenger, a regulator, and a connector. It helps signal when a cell should grow or divide, when to repair itself, and when to initiate the complex process of programmed cell death. The ebb and flow of ATP orchestrates the symphony of life at a molecular level, ensuring that energy is always available where and when it's needed most. Understanding ATP gives us a window into the profound interconnectedness of life. From the food you eat to the breath you take, every moment is a continuous exchange of energy, governed by the laws of chemistry and the needs of biology. It is a reminder that life is not just about existence, but about transformation, of energy, of matter, and of ourselves. So, why do you live? On a biological level, you live because every cell in your body is powered by ATP, tirelessly converting the energy of the universe into the spark of life. In this endless cycle from sunlight to ATP, from ATP to action, the miracle of life unfolds, one molecule at a time.